Aussie Maker Collective Easter eggs change. It's like a Secret Santa. Found all this laminated timber in the shed. I was originally going to make some clamps. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to make a cool blank and make an egg for the exchange. The Easter exchange is hosted by Darren from Aussie Maker Collective. He also runs Woods, the Worst That Could Happen, 2x4 and the Ghetto Street Press. You can go and check all those things out on Instagram. Good bloke. Give him a follow and support local. Oh. The slide has been updated. So I need to get all of these super flat so I can glue them up. I'm going to make the world's shittest disc sander until I make a better one. I've got this one piece of skateboard grip tape left over. Stick that on there, glue that on there, put a faceplate on, disc sander. Check square. So the disc sander, it's a little bit shit, and the sandpaper is probably a bit old. I didn't think to use this first because everyone says you don't want to put small parts through the planer. I thought, why not just do a little experiment? So I've put this through. It gripped the rollers, both ends, just fine. It is the most amazing finish with a spiral cutter head. So I'm just going to do the rest like this, and I'll be done in about 2 minutes. I'm not saying try dumb shit, but there's not a lot that can probably go wrong with a chunky piece of wood, I hope. Where's my spatula? Silicon spatula, $2 at Woolies. Stop barking! I cannot leave this shit fight at the moment. I'm tipping there's a better way to do this. At this stage, I think my egg's upside down. Traditionally, the pointy part would be the top. On this egg, the pointy part will be the bottom. Also, I've never made an egg, and I've never made a box. So, learning as we go. caught it. There's lesson one. Upside down egg. Okay. Safe to say I learnt a lot on this one. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate you not smashing me in the comments about lathe business, but I love the encouragement and I do appreciate hot tips. Okay.